Zucchini benefits for health. Zucchini, a versatile and mild-flavored summer squash, is not only delicious but also offers several health benefits. Here are some reasons why zucchini is considered beneficial for health. Zucchini is low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Despite its low-calorie content, it's rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins A and C, potassium, and folate. Zucchini contains antioxidants, including carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, contributing to overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The high fiber content in zucchini supports digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps in maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. Zucchini is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake is associated with a lower risk of stroke and cardiovascular diseases. Due to its low calorie content and high water content, zucchini can be a satisfying addition to meals, promoting a feeling of fullness. This can contribute to weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. The presence of carotenoids in zucchini, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, is beneficial for eye health. These compounds are associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other vision problems. Zucchini has a high water content, which contributes to hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and helps in various bodily functions, including detoxification. The fiber content in zucchini may help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage blood sugar levels. Zucchini is a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Whether grilled, sautéed, baked, or spiralized into noodles, zoodles, it offers a healthy and nutritious option for diverse meal choices. While zucchini has numerous health benefits, it's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure overall well-being. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables, including zucchini, can contribute to a nutrient-rich and wholesome diet.